Hello everybody, this is Sven from Cheap Sheep Games, and in this short video I show you how to quickly assemble the clock which you require in the game of Crimopolis. So we need three parts. On one of the punch out sheets you find the main part of the clock, you find here three hands for the clock, and you find those little rivets in the game box as well. What we need is punch out the body of the clock, take this aside, punch out one of those hands. You can leave the other one for the moment in the punch out sheet. I'll put this on the side, and out of this little plastic bag take one of those rivets. So this consists of two parts. One of them, or they look a little bit different, so you have two different types of those 6 parts in there. Use the two different ones, one each, and that's all you need. So take one of those parts. Doesn't matter which one you actually take. I'll took the one with the white bottom part. Slide it through the top side of the clock hand, not the one that has no printing on it. Put it on top of that, just slide it through, it should easily fit. And then turn it around, and this little hole in the middle of the body goes through this one, or vice versa. It goes through this particular hole and it ends up being on the backside coming out. Take the other part from your rivet and fit this into this middle hole, just press it firmly together, and here we go. The clock is done and nicely set up in a very tight way, and you can use it throughout your gameplay, which means you set it up like this at a 7 hours clock, and then you can turn them back. Also providing you with 2 spare rivets and 2 spare hands, which you can still see here in the punch out. Take them out, put them in the box. There's a specific place for them. If you ever end up using this hand too much, you can take this off, cut off that particular rivet in the middle with a sharp knife, carpet knife for instance, like this one. Just cut this off like this and take out the rivet, take out the hand, take the new hand on top of it, put the new rivet in, and off you go with a couple of more hands. Alright, this was the setup of the clock for Crimopolis.